Mastering the reading test. Strategies to excel. Hello, learners. Today we're diving deep into the world of the SAT reading test. Specifically, we're going to look at some key strategies that can help you tackle the reading section more effectively. So, if you're aiming to boost your score and grasp those reading questions with confidence, you're in the right place. The first step to conquering the SAT reading test is understanding its structure. The reading test consists of multiple passages and accompanying questions. They can be from literature, historical documents, social sciences, and natural sciences. Key point: always take a moment to glance at the passage's title, source, and introductory blurb. They often provide valuable context. Time can be your best friend or worst enemy during the test. Here are some strategies for effective time management. 1. Skim first. Before diving deep into the questions, skim the passage to get a general idea. 2. Prioritize questions. Some questions might be easier for you than others. Answer those first. 3. Limit time per passage. Allocate a specific amount of time for each passage and stick to it. Remember, you can always come back later if time permits. Here's how you can approach the questions. 1. Predict answers. After reading a question, try to predict an answer before looking at the options. 2. Eliminate wrong answers. Often, eliminating incorrect options can lead you to the right answer. 3. Refer back. When in doubt, refer back to the passage. The answer is always there. The SAT loves to test your ability to understand context. Vocabulary and context. If you're unsure about the meaning of a word, look at the sentences surrounding it. They often provide clues. Read carefully. Questions might ask about the tone, purpose, or the author's intent. For these, understanding the entire passage's context is crucial. Remember, the SAT is designed to challenge you. Stay calm. If you come across a particularly challenging passage, don't panic. Take a deep breath and tackle it step by step. Be logical. The questions are designed to have only one correct answer. If you're torn between two options, think logically about which one fits best with the passage. And there you have it. By understanding the structure, managing your time, mastering the answering technique, relying on context, and keeping your cool, you'll be well on your way to excelling in the SAT reading test. We hope these strategies equip you for success. Best of luck, and keep practicing.